Hello friends, welcome to this special English learning journey. Today, we will learn how 50 small words can help you speak English easily and confidently. You don't need big grammar books or hard words, just the right words and practice. Let's start together and have fun learning. This part is about the power of 50 words. We will learn simple ways to use words and speak English for daily life. Let's practice with easy and fun exercises. Using English every day will help you improve quickly. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes perfect. Keep speaking and listening. Your English will grow strong. You are doing great. Let's keep going. Now, let's learn the first 10 words. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, am, is, are. These words help us make basic sentences. I am happy. You are kind. He is my friend. She is a teacher. It is hot. We are ready. They are here. Say these sentences out loud many times. Practice makes you better. Next, we will use these words in daily life. When you want water, say, I want water. When you meet a friend, say you are nice. When you see a dog, say it is big. Use simple sentences every day. Speak to yourself, your family, or friends. The more you use these words, the easier speaking English will be. Let's learn how to ask simple questions now. Words like what, where, when, who, why, how, can, do, did, does help ask questions. Ask, what is your name? Where do you live? When is your birthday? Who is your teacher? Why are you sad? How can I help? These questions help you talk with people. We will talk about time with words like now, today, yesterday, tomorrow, always, never, sometimes, before, after, again. Say, I am tired now. Today is sunny. Yesterday was good. Tomorrow I will play. I always eat rice. I never drink soda. Sometimes I sing. These words help tell when things happen. Now, let's describe people and things with words like this, that, these, those, very, more, all, every, any, no. Say, this is good. That is my bag. These are nice. Those are old. I am very happy. I want more food. I ate all rice. Every day I walk. These words help explain and show things. We will learn action words next. Words like look, listen, walk, run, eat, drink, read, write, sleep, play help us talk about what we do. Say, I look at the sky. I listen to music. I walk to school. I run in the park. I eat food. I drink water. I read books. I write stories. I sleep early. I play with friends. It's important to express feelings. Words like happy, sad, good, bad, tired, hungry, angry, fine, okay, afraid help us talk about emotions. Say, I am happy. She is sad. This is good. That is bad. He is tired. I am hungry. They are angry. I feel fine. You are okay. The child is afraid. Sharing feelings makes talking real. Daily practice helps a lot. Play games to learn. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Say 5 lines about your day. Use flashcards with words. Make a small song with your 50 words. Tell little stories before sleep. Walk and speak English. Teach a friend 5 words every day. Practice helps your brain remember and your mouth speak faster. Practice real-life conversations. Say, "Hello, I want tea, please." "Thank you. Can you help me?" "Where is the market?" "How much is this?" Use simple sentences in shops, parks, and with friends. Speaking with real people builds courage and skill. Don't be shy. Speak with your heart. Sometimes speaking English feels hard or scary. It's okay to make mistakes. Don't stop. Say one sentence even when tired. Say, "I am tired." Keep trying every day. Listening, speaking, and practicing builds confidence. Believe in yourself. Your words are your power. Here are tips for speaking English every day. Start your day with one sentence in English. Say what you do. "I am awake." "I brush my teeth." "I eat breakfast." Use English in your thoughts. Look at things around you and say simple sentences. Use your 50 words and speak with joy. Thank you for joining this journey. Remember, 50 words are enough to start speaking English now. Use them with love and practice every day. Speak, listen, and have fun. You will see your English grow strong and your confidence grow bigger. You can do it. Keep going. Speak English, and you will fly.